Hello everyone! Is your car stuck in the wrong gear or shifting unpredictably? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0790 Normal Performance Switch Circuit Malfunction, it means your transmission mode switch isn't working properly, affecting gear shifts and driving performance. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor acceleration and possible transmission damage. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0790 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0790? The P0790 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an issue with the transmission mode switch circuit. This switch allows the driver to toggle between normal and performance driving modes. Symptoms of P0790 include inability to switch driving modes, delayed or hard gear shifts, transmission slipping or stuck in one mode, check engine light and transmission, warning light on, poor fuel efficiency and acceleration issues. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0790. To diagnose P0790, check these critical components. Transmission mode selector switch. Location, on the gear shift assembly or dashboard, near the driver. Function, allows switching between normal and performance modes. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine firewall. Function, controls shift patterns based on the mode selected. Shift solenoids inside the transmission valve body. Location, inside the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulate hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Input and output speed sensors. Location, found on the transmission housing near the input and output shafts. Function, detects gear changes and helps the PCM determine shift timing. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the mode switch, TCM, solenoids, and sensors. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause erratic shifts. Common causes of P0790, faulty transmission mode selector switch, not sending proper signals to the TCM. Wiring or connector issues. Damaged, corroded, or loose connections can interrupt signals. Malfunctioning transmission control module. Unable to process mode switch inputs. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause incorrect pressure leading to shifting issues. How to fix P0790. Step 1. Check the mode selector switch. Test if it responds properly when switching modes. Step 2. Inspect the transmission control module. Scan for errors and reset if needed. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or loose connections in the circuit. Step 4. Check transmission fluid level and condition. Step 5. Test the shift solenoids. Ensure they are functioning correctly. Step 6. Verify input and output speed sensors. Faulty sensors can affect mode switching. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. A P0790 transmission mode switch issue can lead to gear shifting problems and poor performance. Checking the mode switch, solenoids, wiring and sensors is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0446, EVAP Vent Control Circuit Malfunction, P0447, EVAP Vent Control Circuit Open. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.